Health-related fitness. This is about activities that improve overall health. Skill-related fitness, also called performance fitness. This is about performing well in sports and games. Body composition is the amount of fat in the body compared to the body mass. For example, measuring height and weight. Cardiorespiratory endurance is the capacity of the vascular system, heart, and lungs to bring blood to the muscles during a partial or sustained physical activity. For example, running, jogging, walking. Muscular endurance is the ability of muscles to perform activities again and again for several times to sustain a specific position extensively. For example, carrying heavy load and lifting weights. Flexibility is the ability of a joint to bend and stretch when moving in different motions. For example, sitting, picking up a thing, bending, and reaching. Agility, the capacity of the player to begin, stop, and change directions fast. For example, doing obstacle course and dribbling a ball. Balance, the ability to support the position of his or her body, whether moving, running, jumping, or crossing. For example, standing in one leg, jumping and landing on a balance beam. Coordination, the ability to combine the different body movements properly with grace. For example, circling and leg split. Power, the strength of one player in the execution of a game plan. For example, powerlifting and jump squats. Reaction time, it is the ability to respond quickly to the stimulus as perceived by the five senses. For example, hitting a ball back and kicking a ball. Speed, the ability to move body parts quickly.